Learning with Ameer. Hi friends, have you noticed that things around us are of different shapes? Some are round, some have 3 sides, and some have 4, and so on. Today we will learn about some basic shapes. Here are the basic shapes: circle, star, diamond, oval, rectangle, square, heart, triangle. Please press the red subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's look at the shapes one by one. Circle, star, diamond, oval, rectangle, square, heart, triangle. This is oval. Oval. This is circle. Circle. This is oval. Oval. This is circle. Circle. This is oval. Let's look at the shapes again, but this time with the examples. Circle. This frame is in the shape of a circle. Star. The starfish is in the shape of a star. Diamond. This traffic sign is the shape of the diamond. Oval. This frame is in the shape of an oval. Square. This frame is in the shape of a square. Rectangle. This ruler is in the shape of a rectangle. Heart. The human heart is in the shape of the heart. Triangle. Traffic sign is in the shape of the triangle. See that? This is circle. See, this is circle. Go.
This is circle.
Practice questions. Question number 1. What shape is this traffic sign? Question number 2. What shape is this traffic sign? Question number 3. What shape is this fish? Question number 4. What shape is this traffic sign? Question number 5. What shape is this frame? Question number 6. Can you name an object which is in the shape of a rectangle? Question number 7. Can you name an object which is in the shape of an oval? Let's look at the shapes one last time. Circle, star, diamond, oval, rectangle, square, heart, triangle. Let's draw shapes on a whiteboard. This is rectangle, this is diamond, this is triangle, this is heart, and this is star. H-E-A-R-T, heart. D-I-A-M-O-N-D.
Excellent.
Diamond. S-U-U-A-R-E. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Can you stand down on my toes? O-V-A-M. Oval. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. S-T-A-R. I can point it with the black dot. Okay. This is oval. This is circle. This is square. This is star. This is triangle. This is heart. Oh, I did it already in the square. This is diamond. This is the rectangle. Now let's draw some shapes on the computer. S-H-A-P-E-N. S-H-A-P-E-S. These are the shapes that I drew. Rectangle. Triangle. Square. Circle. Oval. Heart. Star. Diamond. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel Learning with Ameer. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time. Bye.